Hey there, this is Sugarcoder. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made bread without yeast. This is a chocolate banana bread recipe that I adapted from Food Network. Essentially, this is a quick bread. In a mixing bowl, I added the wet ingredients and mixed it well. Then, I added the dry ingredients. Instead of using all-purpose flour, I used almond flour. If you don't have almond flour, you can use other types of nut flour. For the chocolate, I added cocoa powder and chocolate chips. So once everything was combined well, I put the batter in a bread mold. Then, I baked the bread in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. This bread recipe turned out quite delicious, and it goes well with coffee or ice cream. So what types of bread do you like to eat? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching and have a sweet day.